I told you earlier that I went to film school with 150 boys. So what happens is now that I'm older, I'm called to other film schools to teach or take a master class about cinema. So what I do is I'm not just an actor, I'm a cinematographer, actor, and also a dialogue writer. So I take dialogue writing as my first assignment. So I asked this question to everybody. I don't think I've asked Satish this. I don't know whether he's heard it from me. What is the best dialogue in the world between two people? Which is the best dialogue? Who are the two people who have the best dialogue? Is it mother and child? Anybody thinks it's mother and child? Valentine's Day, two lovers? Husband and wife? Is it two brothers or siblings? Or is it between friends? Okay, I'll tell you where the actual best dialogue in the world happens. It happens between a person who wants to build a house and a person who is building the house for them. That is supposed to be the best dialogue in the world, because the person who wants a home has so many dreams, and the person who is building the house is making the dream come true. I'm not saying it just because Satish is my friend and DAC is, logo is changed or anything. I had done my research as a dialogue writer, wanted to know when the best dialogue between two people happen. So the employees of DAC, it is in your hands to make the dialogue happen and to make the dream come true. I speak to Satish and I've been asking him, what kind of people buy houses, and he gives me some kind of an information, and a group of people buy almost 80 to 90% of the houses, he said, from a particular background. So why should the other people be left out? If these people, who are only a small percentage of the community, are coming forward to buy most of the apartments, we are losing out on the other people. So 90% of the people are out there and they don't know. They know how to buy a house or how to own a house. That knowledge, I think it's up to you to give it to them. Because இப்போ எங்கள் தாத்தா காலத்துலலாம் எனக்கு என்ன ஞாபகம் இருக்குது, பரமக்குடியில் எங்களுக்கு ஒரு வீடு இருந்தது. அதை 1 லட்சத்துக்கு விற்று மெட்ராஸில் இருக்க எல்டாம்ஸ் ரோட 1 லட்சத்துக்கு வாங்கினாங்க. அது ஒன் டைம் பேமெண்ட். அது எவ்வளோ பெரிய டிசிஷன். எனக்கு தெரிஞ்சு ஒரு 20 பேர் இருக்கிற ஒரு வீட்டில் ஒரே ஒருத்தர் தான் வீடு வாங்க முடிஞ்சிச்சு in life span. But today it's not like that. It's so simple, like Mr. Radhakrishnan said, there is home loan, the title deeds are checked by them, you don't have to check it. Can you believe it, how easy they make it? So it is up to the employees of DAC and builders like, real estate people like DAC, who have to bring in everybody who's dreaming of a house. I think with the new logo, the dream of people who don't even know that they can own a house, their dreams have to come true. I think that is where we have to aim at. So happy to be part of DAC. I think past 4 years I've been brand ambassador for the DAC only because I like Tambaram so much. I love Tambaram, and I really wanted to be in the gang of MCC, Madras Christian College, and have boyfriends and girlfriends there and hang out in the tea shops. It never happened. And then my sister marries a pilot in Air Force, and she lives in the Air Force campus there, so beautiful. Somebody knocks at the door and gives you eggs. Somebody knocks at the door and gives you tomatoes. Somebody gives bread. Nobody gives me. I work so hard, nobody gave me eggs free. So I was so fascinated by Tambaram, and I told him Tambaram is my favorite place, and lots of flats that he built were from Tambaram. So I said, I have this affinity, that connection with Tambaram. So I'm so happy. My hoardings are there in Tambaram, even though I don't live in Tambaram. My hoardings are there, and I really like Satish. For some reason, I think you connect with certain people. We don't know why. Actually, I was calculating. I was telling my mother, I meet at least 2 people in a day. So in my lifetime, I must have met some 3,000 people who are all very close to me. So I can't keep, in touch with all the 3,000 people. Those who are above 50 will know. There are at least 3,000 people with whom you have connected so deeply. But I remember Satish, my connection with Satish and Kavita. Don't know why. There is no reason. Human beings, you don't have to have reasons for everything. In fact, I have a dream project which involves